Good morning, student. Today, 9th July, Thursday, Part 7. Meaning and objective of accounting. Next topic is accounting as a source of information. Accounting is called the language of the business. It means only seeing the accounting we can understand what is the real position of the business. Either the business is running in profit or loss, or its financial condition are weak, better, or best one. So all these depends on the accounting. From the accounting we get the information. Mostly two types of users gets the information from the accounting. First are called internal user and second are called external user. In internal user there are mainly two persons, first the owners and the second management or board of directors. Owners calculate the all types of decision. They are taken by the owners or management. Either the making planning, controlling decision making, employment, all the profit loss of financial position are checked by owner or management. They really know what is the real position of the firm and real profit of the firm. Second, the external user, like potential investor. Potential investor means those person who are interested to invest their money in this business. Now they check the two things. First, what is the financial position of the company, because their money will be safe there or not. And secondly, what is the rate of return, how much profit they will get on their investment. Next, creditors. Creditors are those persons who provide the goods on credit. So they check if the firm is able to pay their money within time or not. Financial institutions are those institutions who provide the loans to the business. So they check the long-term economical position. If the economical position of the firm is good or not. If really the economical position of the firm is good, in that case they will provide the loan, otherwise they will not provide the loan. Next one is the employee. Employee or worker are always interested about the profit information, that the firm is earning the profit, or if there may be any chance to increase the salary or get the bonus. Government also take the information from financial book to charge the different types of taxes, to provide the ads, and if all the rules and regulation of the government are followed by the firm or not. Public is also related to the firm because the firm provides the employment and social services. So they also watch if the financial position and growth rate of the company are the good. In that case, the company will make the extension and there will be more chance of employment. Or if their financial position is strong, then the public can give the pressure to work for the social services. As you have seen, in the period of lockdown, all the societies, they take the donation from the business firm to help the people. Now this is also like a pressure on the business firm. Now next topic is advantage. What are the advantage of accounting? First, accounting is helpful to the management for making the planning, controlling, and take the any types of decision. The management has need of the data, and all the data they collect from the accounting book. Complete and systematic record. Accounting helps to maintain a complete and systematic record because every transaction are recorded in chronological order. As they are performed, they are recorded. So a complete or systematic record is always maintained, or any time management can take the information to take the decision. Information regarding PL, this is the accounting which express about the firm, that firm is earning the profit or loss, or if profit, then what is the profit, or if loss, then what is the loss. Comparative study, management make the comparison from the previous year data to current year data, and after comparing take the decision what will be better and how they can make the better or better. Next topic is limitation, influenced by personal judgment. Limitation means weakness. So there are the some fault in the accounting also. First, influenced by personal judgment. Accounting maintain a complete systematic record. This is true, but all these records are influenced by personal judgment of the management or accountant. In many cases, the accountant is free to adopt the policy, and according to policy, the profit and financial position of the firm will be affected. For example, you think depreciation. There is not a fixed rules by which method the depreciation will be charged. If you make the comparison straight line method and diminishing balance method, in that case you will see that in different method the amount of depreciation will be different. So if the accountant charge more depreciation, the firm profit will be reduced and the value of the assets will also reduce. So his personal judgment affected to the accounting. Based on accounting concept and conventions, accounting is based on some definite concept and convention. So those information which not comes category of convention and concept, the accounting did not record. That is reason it not becomes a complete one. Like you see, faithful, hardworking, honesty. These are the three qualities for a good employee. But these qualities are not recorded anywhere in accounting book. That is reason that it is not a complete, it not gives a complete information, it becomes an incomplete due to based on the accounting concept and convention. Secondly, in many places in accounting, according to materiality concept, some amounts we ignore. For example, if you purchase the goods that cost is 10,540.50. So many accountants ignore this 0.5. Twice they ignore one. But in that case, here will be not the accuracy. Next, omission of qualitative information. In the accounting, we record only quantitative information which can be measured in terms of money. If quantitative information cannot measured in terms of money, they will be not recorded. Or if there is any qualitative information, they will be also not recorded. But really, for a firm, qualitative information are very important. So mostly the management maintain a separate record of the qualitative information for the giving the promotion to the employee, because all the employees are working on the same rank and they have to give a particular one employee as a promotion, how they will take the decision. So they maintain a record of qualitative information, and such employee, which qualitative information is the better one, they give the promotion to that employee. Affected by window dressing, it is in the hands of accountant that he can change the result of the business by accounting method. For example, if a firm is recording their assets at cost less depreciation, now the things if the valuation method of the assets are changed, how much will be profit? You imagine your grandfather has purchased a land in the market and that land cost was 10,000 and he has purchased this land of 10,000 in 1940. Now even today the cost of land will be recorded in the books 10,000. Now if the accountant changed the valuation method and he record the land on the market value, now today its market value will be more than 10 crore. At a sudden 9 crore 50 lakhs profit will be increased one and assets of the firm will be increased one, but no one can say that it is wrong, because really it is possible to sell this property in 10 crores. So it is in the hands of accountant. He can make the window dressing. Normally we can say when the assets are recorded less value and liabilities are recorded at more value, then it is called the window dressing. Thank you.